Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best pencil sharpener for school, the Bostitch Office Pencil Sharpener, twist-end sharp model, perfect for kids and colored pencils. If you're searching for a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly sharpener that can keep up with the demands of schoolwork, this one definitely deserves your attention. Right from the start, the Bostitch Twist-End Sharp stands out thanks to its premium ratchet technology. This feature ensures a smooth, comfortable, and fast sharpening experience, unlike many traditional manual sharpeners that can feel tedious or even damaging to pencils. The ratchet system automatically rotates as you twist the pencil, making it easier for younger users or anyone who wants a hassle-free sharpening session. Another practical aspect of this sharpener is the attached dispenser drawer. This built-in compartment collects all the pencil shavings neatly, allowing for easy disposal without creating a mess. Plus, the design ensures you won't ever lose the door piece, which is a common problem with many pencil sharpeners that have detachable trays. One of the most impressive features of this sharpener is the customizable sharpening option. Located in the center of the sharpener is a dial that lets you choose between a sharp or a blunt tip. This allows users to decide the exact point they want for their pencils, making it great for various tasks like precise writing or softer shading. The Bostitch Twist-End Sharp also comes with what the brand calls tip saver technology. This exclusive feature prevents over-sharpening, which means your pencils last longer and don't break as easily. It's a thoughtful addition that saves both money and frustration over time, especially when you're dealing with colored pencils or more delicate leads. The sharpener is available in 3 fun assorted colors: purple, coral, and blue. While you can't choose the specific color you'll get, this variety adds a touch of personality and fun to a standard school supply. The sharpener's material is made of durable alloy steel, so it's built to withstand regular use throughout the school year and beyond. Its manual power source means no batteries are required, making it both environmentally friendly and convenient for on-the-go sharpening without worrying about power sources. The size is compact enough to fit comfortably on a desk or in a pencil case, yet sturdy enough to handle pencils of various sizes. In summary, the Bostitch Office Pencil Sharpener with Twist-End Sharp technology offers fast, efficient sharpening with a mess-free design, tip customization, and a unique tip saver that extends pencil life. It's an excellent choice for students, artists, or anyone needing a reliable pencil sharpener that delivers consistent performance. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for a pencil sharpener that truly stands out for school and daily use, the Bostitch Twist-End Sharp is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest and detailed product insights.